Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jain Quesadilla. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring they align with Jain dietary principles. We'll focus on fresh vegetables and dairy, avoiding root vegetables like onions and garlic. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparing the filling to perfectly crisping your tortilla. Get ready to enjoy a wholesome and flavorful meal that respects your dietary choices. For your Jain Quesadilla, you'll need 2 8-inch flour tortillas. The star of our filling is crumbled paneer, combined with finely diced bell peppers in various colors and sweet corn kernels. To season, we'll use a blend of ground cumin, coriander powder, and a small amount of chili powder for a gentle kick. Remember to avoid any root vegetables, keeping the ingredients fresh and light. This combination ensures a flavorful and compliant filling. Now, let's assemble your quesadilla. Take 1 8-inch tortilla and spread about 1/4 cup of your prepared Jain filling evenly over half of it. Then, sprinkle approximately 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the filling. Fold the other half of the tortilla over to create a crescent shape. Cook this on a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, until golden brown and the cheese is melted. Once your quesadilla is perfectly golden and the cheese is bubbly, carefully remove it from the griddle. Transfer it to a cutting board and slice it into 3 or 4 wedges, depending on your preference. Serve these delicious Jain Quesadilla wedges immediately, perhaps with a fresh green chutney or a simple yogurt dip. They make a fantastic snack or a light meal. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.